Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano with the White Street Homes, and today I'm visiting a brand new subdivision by Toll Brothers, Easley. This community consists of 150 single-family homes on wooded lots. This is a very serene area with trees and ponds and streams, and Easley's just beautiful. It is located in Woodstock, Georgia, which is about 31 miles north of Atlanta, and the main highway you take to get into Atlanta is Georgia 400. Woodstock is next to Alpharetta, so you have easy access to all of the shopping and dining options available in Alpharetta. In fact, from here, we're only 12 miles to Avalon and 5 miles to downtown Woodstock. On top of that, you have a Publix, Target, and Costco under 4 miles from here. Today, I am so excited because we are going to be touring the beautiful Hedgwrow model home. And the Hedgwrow is one of my all-time favorite floor plans. And if you know Toll Brothers, you know that their model homes are always over the top. If you're thinking about making the move to Georgia or within Georgia, or you're interested in a new construction home, please contact me. I would love to be a realtor and help you through the entire process of finding a community, picking your floor plan, your lot, and helping you design it and guide you all the way through the construction process right through close. I specialize in new construction and I stinking love it. So without further ado, let's check out your brand new house. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. did you think about this house? I loved it. I have to say that the Hedgwrow floor plan is probably one of my favorite Toll Brothers plans right now, and I think it's because of all of the tall ceilings. You have the foyer is a 2-story, and then the great room is a 2-story, and it just allows for all that light to just pour into this house, which is so important. This floor plan is 3,300 square feet, but it still feels cozy even with these tall ceilings. And I think that's because the living room and the kitchen and the eating area are the center of the home, and then all the other rooms surround it. So it still gives it this like cozy, homey vibe. I also really loved the full finished basement as well as the outdoor entertaining area. That was really awesome. Right now, Toll Brothers is offering some amazing incentives, but they change all the time. So if you want to know more information, give me a call. I can go over all of that with you. So did you love this house as much as I did? I'd love to know your opinions in the comments. And that's a wrap for the tour of the Easley. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're moving to Atlanta and need help figuring out which neighborhood is the best fit for you, or if you're interested in a Toll Brothers home, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be your realtor and help you through the entire construction process right up through closing. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. Also, I'm going to be posting all kinds of videos on the suburbs of Atlanta, from pros and cons to cost of living, and even house and neighborhood tours like this one. So if you want to learn more about where to live within Atlanta, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current real estate market. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.